Today I want to show off some of my students' works. These flowering dogwoods were made during the July 2021 Bead Along in the Learn How to Make French Beaded Flowers Facebook group. The videos are still up on my YouTube channel, and the written pattern is in my new book, Bead Flora, French Beaded, Branches in Bloom. Camry started beading in May of this year with my beginner spring flowers pattern, and I love the dramatic lines in this display. Bradley started beading with me in March with cherry blossoms, and he continues to impress me with his fast progression with the more advanced techniques. DEBRA started beading with a kit of mine last fall, and her technique is impeccable. Emily started with my beginner spring flowers pattern fall of 2020, and her styling is simply elegant. Vicky created a fantastic rendition with a suiting backdrop. Suzanne dances to the drum of her own beat, and I'm happy to inspire her to take the design in different directions. Gail is an experienced beader and has made some of her own designs. The technique, styling, and movement is just everything here. Mary is one of my first students from over 10 years ago, and I'm happy she is still beading with me. Excellent technique, and the shaping of the leaves is full of movement. Ella is joining us from Jordan and started beading flowers in March, and her skill has improved leaps and bounds. Excellent beading and display. Melanie made the units with excellent technique. The lines are dramatic, and the base pairs well with the branch. Kim makes a fantastic rendition of my pattern. I love the soft natural lines and the shape of the leaves. And as always, impeccable beading from Tracy. Love the graceful lines, and the base is perfect. Thank you to all of my students who have joined me in this bead along. If you're new and would like to bead with me, check out some of the beginner level patterns on this channel. Happy beading!